Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me ask you one question. Do you know what is Cryptopedia? And do you know Cryptopedia can help you to earn money? So let's find out together. As you can see here, this is OKX exchange platform. OKX, as you know, is one of the largest exchange platform worldwide. If you don't have an account, use my account. I'll put down the link at below. Simple to say, OKX Web3 wallet. You can see here, this Web3 wallet is something that I want to talk about, where this is a very good Web3 wallet. It's simple, guide you with a new chain, new dApps that can potentially help you to get more airdrops. You can also interact with the dApps anytime, maximize your time. You can always use mobile to activate this Web3. You can use this while you're on the move. And most important thing here is this is decentralized. So OKX is not holding your keys, you are holding your own keys. Good, right? So this is how the Web3 wallet looks like. You can actually swap it from exchange to wallet, wallet to exchange. And something to take note is here is the Cryptopedia, which is this OKX wallet to launch Cryptopedia Season 2. So they are announcing Cryptopedia Season 2 if you participate and complete the interactive quest of Sui Swap on Cryptopedia and maintain $10 on Sui. You will get some rewards. You see, 68 millions of SSWP tokens, which is only exclusive in OKX wallet customer. Like I mentioned again, if you are having this stuff, participating in their wallet, you get a lot of benefits. So these are the rules and engagement on how you want to play around with this. But what is Cryptopedia? OKX Cryptopedia is a unique Web3 aggregator where you can learn to earn. Again, learn to earn. So while you are learning, you are earning by interacting with the dApps. So we will launch a regular events that center around different networks. In this event, we will collaborate with projects, partners to set up different quests which offer opportunity to win rewards. So if you realize, if you go all the way to Cryptopedia, when you just click, you can actually learn about the projects and get a chance to win some airdrop for it, which is rewards. So OKX Cryptopedia aims to make it simple to search, explore, and interact with the dApps. So you can discover more and more promising projects and spare your time to learn and earn in Web3. So the participations are quite simple. You have to download the app. Okay, you have to download the app. So you can go on Google Play Store or App Store to go and download it. So you download it, right? These are the ways you can see here. While you created a wallet, import the new one, to click on Discover tab and click on the Cryptopedia, learn to and stuff like that. I will show you how. So these are the project introductory of what you will earn, which is the Sui Swap. And let's get this together. So right now I have this OKX wallet here in my phone. So once I log in, right, you're able to see this is jump straight to the wallet. If you want to jump to the exchange, you can just click on the exchange button on the top. And right now I click on the wallet. So you can see, right, it shows there that I need to go into the Discover tab and click the Cryptopedia Learn to Earn. So of course, this is like a general wallet, your MetaMask wallet, or this is OKX wallet, of course. Everything is here, simple to use. Click on trade, you can see you can trade tokens. Wow, you can buy tokens from here as well. Marketplace, there is earn as well, there is dApps as well. And right now he asked me to do Discover tab, so I click on Discover tab, and you can see right away on the below there, the second one, you see Cryptopedia Learn to Earn. So Learn to Earn, ZK Sync, Era, L2 Network, you can see so many people have joined and stuff like that. If you scroll all the way down, there are more things that you can see. Okay, let's click here, Learn to Earn. And you can see season 1 has 58,000 people join. So you can see that the moment I click on it, right, ZK-Sync era, right, you can see what you can do here, the quests, the missions that you play game, right, usually you go story mode, you have a lot of quests to do, right. So similar to here, I think the quests are easy. Deposit ETH to ZK-Sync era. So you just click on deposit, confirm, and you can start depositing money, stuff like that. So simple as that. You can just deposit your ETH and they will teach you how to do it, and you can explore the trending depth and stuff like that, where you can actually click on it and stuff like that. And then after that, they are like OKX Web3 earns, they are OKX NFTs, OKX and stuff. So there are so many quests that you can do. And if you look at here right now, I think that season 2 has been ended. Sweet Swap has been ended. But you get a picture on how you want to claim all this reward by doing a simple quest, right? And you see Web3 season 3 is coming. So I think that you can see OKX platform exploring depths and stuff, earning reward and stuff like that. How all these are FAQs. So if you want to read more about it and want to know more about how you're going to utilize this, go ahead. But the picture here is while you are learning about how to use ZK-Sync, how to swap from ETH to ZK-Sync, stuff like that, because people might not know how to do it. But from here, while you are learning, while you are just clicking the quest where they will give you a guidance, they're able to teach you how to swap from something to something, a different chain, like that, and you are able to get rewards. 2 rewards, airdrops. Why not, right? Why not give it a try? Again, why I like to use Web3 wallet, the OKX wallet, or these centralized wallets, because nobody holds my key. I hold my own key, so I don't get my funds missing. That is the most important one. All right. So try it out yourself. I think this is a very good stuff where you can learn to earn pretty good, and you can see there's a lot of things that you can do in this wallet. You can actually have a guest mode, NFTs, DeFi approval. Awesome. To summarize this, I don't think even MetaMask has this sort of activities that you can do to get airdrop. If you have any Web3 wallet that are quite similar to this, that are providing you something which is regards on learn to earn, let me know down the comment below. All right, good stuff. Hope you guys learned something today, and I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.